You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and tell the message that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering. Mga nag-record ko sa amin, ha? And since you fall true, how could anyone who left me than you? Wala daw iiyak. Kala ko kanina masaya. Sabay po kayo. Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one behind your eyes. Inside my head, the wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm so wide. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, and all of you are one of the few things worth remembering. And it is so true. Than you. Thank you very much po. Dahil po yan sa inyo, kaya patuloy ang pag-angat ng board mo. Thank you nga pala sa sponsor. Thank you. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Happy anniversary board ko! Happy anniversary po!
Wow!
Ayan, maraming salamat. Diyan muna po kayo.